We were delighted to be able to deliver training at the 40th NABSS Conference in Seville this weekend. Dragonfly always try to provide practical, engaging training with delegates able to take ideas away that are ready to use on Monday morning. And as Dragonfly trainers, we always feel part of a bigger team, able to support each other and provide the best outcomes possible.
One thing I'm going to take away is the Kagan seating plan. I feel that it will support the mixed abilities in class and it will allow all the students to access different ideas.
I'm going to take away the idea of homework choices, where at the start of a topic I show them the homework that's going to be assigned and I organise it according to the hotness of the homework and allow them to choose.
I've been doing Dragonfly training with Marcus, and what I'm going to take away is some of the different strategies for differentiating just easy quick fixes in the classroom, like the talking chips. So I've got pupils who don't speak and I've got pupils who don't stop speaking, so I'm going to make sure that I give a lot of chips to my quiet pupils and hardly any chips to my noisy pupils, and when they put the chips in, then they can talk again after everybody's had a go.
Brilliant, thank you.
Just done some training with Marcus, Dragonfly Training. Pretty amazing. The thing that I will take away most was Kahoot. Absolutely love the game and we'll definitely use it in the classroom.
Training as well with Marcus at Dragonfly, and for me the practical classroom ideas, the word loops, the thinking about seating plans, the grading of questions, and particularly thinking of, exchanging ideas with other teachers on the table. It was great.
Fantastic.
Okay. Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from the delegates in Madrid. I'm doing Create and Inspire course with Philippa Vince. We've been learning about the highway rat, which is fantastic. We're about to do superheroes in my early years class, and this is perfect because we can teach the good, bad, and get really involved with all the creative stuff. Fantastic.
I've just done the workshop Create and Inspire with Philippa Vince. I found it really nearly inspirational to go back to my class with some fresh ideas and to get to talk to other practitioners, and with Philippa's guidance it's really helped.
Thanks. Session with Danae Britton Dodd, Dragonfly Training. It's been absolutely wonderful, learning new techniques and skills for questioning our young children and bringing out the best in them. Lots of growth mindset, lots of activities that really got us thinking, and hopefully we're going to go back now all enthusiastic and use all these techniques in our classroom. So well done, thank you.
I've just finished the course with Danae Britton Dodd today in NABSS in Seville. It's been a Dragonfly training course and it's been absolutely exceptional. Really, it's helped me to reflect on my own practice as a teacher. It's helped me to think about what it's like to be a learner. It's helped me to look at so many different strategies and ideas that I can now implement in the classroom. I'm really looking forward to feeding back to the other members of staff. I feel really enthusiastic about the new ideas, and I feel like it's been really impactful on my practice.
Okay, so I've just done the Dave Taylor Dragonfly training and it's been great. I'm going to take all the resources and all the information back to the class and I can't wait to use them.
Our team of Dragonfly trainers had a marvellous time this year at the NABSS Conference in Seville, working with such a thorough and professional organisation in a brilliant venue to ensure that a whole cohort of passionate, vibrant teachers access the very best training through NABSS and through Dragonfly.
Dave Taylor from Dragonfly Training has got me really excited about doing my teacher training. Fantastic workshop, highly recommend it.